what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily transfer money from RIA to GCash. So just go over to your RIA app, and from here you can easily see the send money button. Just click on it. Next is you just have to choose your country or region in which you're going to send the money. And from here, you're just going to check prices. You're going to exchange rate and currencies. From here, you're also going to choose a payment method. Once done, also click on delivery method. And since we're going to transfer our cash or money on GCash, we're going to change our delivery method to mobile wallet. And from here, all you have to do is just enter all the necessary information or details of the person that's going to receive the cash, whether it's you or a family member or a friend. Next is, of course, you have to enter the mobile number of the GCash account that you want to send the money to. Then next, you will be redirected to this page, and all you have to do is confirm if all the details that you entered earlier is correct. Then once done, just click on confirm. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that this video helped you on how you can easily transfer money from RIA to GCash. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!